Take a moment to simply observe the beauty of nature around you. Notice the gentle sway of the trees, the sound of birds, the feeling of sunlight on your skin. Let your mind rest in this peaceful space. I am connected to the earth. I am calm, present, and at peace. Life moves fast, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed or scattered. But mindfulness is the practice of slowing down, coming back to the present, and reconnecting with yourself. Today, we'll explore 3 simple mindfulness practices that you can use anywhere, anytime, to restore peace and clarity. Mindfulness begins with the breath. Let's try it together. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold, and exhale gently through your mouth. As you breathe, notice the air moving in and out of your body. Nothing else matters right now. With each breath, I return to peace. Try this right now and type peace in the comments to anchor your calm. The second practice is awareness. Wherever you are, take a moment to tune into your senses. Notice one thing you can see, one thing you can hear, one thing you can feel. This anchors you in the present moment and quiets the racing mind. I am aware, I am grounded, I am present. Gratitude is mindfulness in action. Pause and name one thing you're thankful for in this moment. It could be something simple, your breath, the warmth of sunlight, or even the device you're watching this on. I am grateful, and my gratitude brings me peace. Comment one thing you're grateful for today. You might even inspire others to reflect. These 3 practices, breathing, awareness, and gratitude, are simple, but when repeated daily, they create lasting calm. Imagine starting each day with a breath, a moment of awareness and gratitude. The way you see the world begins to shift. If you'd like to deepen your affirmation practice, explore Innertune, linked below, a daily affirmation app designed to help reprogram the mind and strengthen positive habits. I am calm, I am clear, I am present. Peace isn't something outside of you, it's within, waiting for you to pause and notice, breathe, become aware, give thanks. These 3 steps are always available to you. Which practice will you take with you today? Comment below and commit to it. If this video supported you, save it for later and share it with someone who could use a moment of calm. And subscribe for more practices on mindfulness, inner peace and healing, cultivating inner strength and healing from within. Let's close with a gentle meditation inspired by the calming rhythms of nature. As you listen, imagine yourself in a tranquil forest, sunlight filtering through the leaves, a gentle breeze brushing your skin. With every breath, feel your body relax as if you are rooted to the earth like a strong, steady tree. Listen to the birdsong and the soothing sound of a nearby stream. Let each sound guide you deeper into a sense of peace. Now reflect. Just as the forest thrives through connection, trees, water, sunlight and air, you too are connected to the world around you. Your breath, your awareness, your gratitude, they are like sunlight and rain, nurturing your well-being from within. Take one more deep breath. As you exhale, let go of any tension and carry this sense of calm with you. Nature's peace is always within reach. Whenever you need, return to this moment. Let the sights and sounds of nature remind you of your own inner strength and serenity. Thank you for following this practice, wishing you peace on your journey.